Little rabbit in the yard, hopping round it ain't hard. Fluffy tail and ears so tall, bouncing off that garden wall.